Hi there, welcome to another chapter in my at-home beauty series. Guess what we're going to do today? We are going to trim our own bangs. You may not be able to get to the salon, and check it out, I can hardly see, so it is time to trim. I'm going to show you how to do it yourself. Don't be scared, you can do this. Get yourself a comb. Comb your bangs down in front. You need to find where they end. So I've got them all the way to the side of my eyebrows, and then I've got some side stuff that I'm not going to mess with right now. So I'm just going to grab the actual fringe itself, the actual bangs. So you have to make very precise divisions and comb the rest of it away. So you need a good mirror, and you need to be able to see exactly where your bangs are. All right, so here they are. What you're going to do is put them all in the middle and trim them perpendicular. All right, so this is called point cutting. You're going to trim them perpendicular to the line of the bangs. Your first impulse is to just start trimming. Well, that's what happens when you're a little kid and you decide to cut your own bangs and they end up all crooked. So you're not going to go across. You're going to go up into the bangs. Once you get them gathered, take a look and see how much do I need to trim. All right? Realistically, it's a half to 3/4 of an inch, but hair shrinks. So trim about half of what you think you need. So I'm going to only trim about 1/4 of an inch. So we're going to do this. Hold your bangs in your fingers right here. Give yourself space so you don't cut into your fingers. And you're going to start, and you're going to go up about 1/4 of an inch and do little point cuts all the way across a couple of times, because you want the hair to be not perfect. See? The edges are different. That's what you want, so it looks natural. Okay, then release it, comb it, and check your work. All right, so I'm still shaggy. So it's better to do little by little than do too much, because you know how it is when your bangs are too short. And do you risk cutting your fingers? Yes, you do. But your fingers will heal in a couple of days. Your bangs will look silly for weeks. So it's okay. You give yourself lots of room, and that way you're not gonna hurt yourself. You don't see, I'm not that close to my hand. All right, this should be better. I took about another 1/8. There we go. Ah, I can see. Yay! Ta-da! All right, you can do this. Any questions, just email me and I'll get you through it. All right, enjoy. Have fun.